He can spin. That's funny.
It floats.
All together. Please like and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is teacher Sophia and he's my student. I am her student. What is this? It looks like you.
It looks like me. It looks like a... Oh, it looks like a you. Oh, I thought you said it looks like me. It does look like a you.
Yeah, it does look like a U. What is this?
It's a magnet.
That is like a U.
It is.
Orange, one of my two favorite colors.
Okay.
Magnets have an invisible force called magnetic force.
I don't even need to touch it. I'm not even touch. I didn't even touch it, right? That is the magnetic force.
Magnets have an invisible force called magnetic force. What is this? Even though we can see it, it is very strong and healthy.
It's healthy?
Look,
Yes?
button.
It's a chip. Yes, like a button.
Can you guess how far a magnet can pull a metal piece? The answer is it depends. And depends on the magnet size and strength. A bigger magnet can pull from farther away. Magnets are attracted to metals like iron, nickel, and coal. Horseshoe magnets do not stick to wood.
See, it doesn't stick to the table in plastic. It doesn't stick to it, right?
It does not stick to wood, plastic, or paper.
See, does it stick to paper?
No. No. That's why something moves and some stays still. I have a question for you. Which objects around you do you think stick to a magnet? The answer is orange. And the green is made of metal, like paper clips, like orange and green. Screws or coins. Oh, stick orange and green.
Well,
Look, ball. Magnets or self pulls align with the directional north and south.
look, this is a
Look,
this is a
look.
horseshoe magnet.
This is a stick together ball.
Watch.
That's funny.
Isn't that cool? Does it have this? You want to try?
Yeah.
Remember, there's an invisible magnetic force, right?
Yeah. Look, okay, I show you to move to patiently quiet move like this.
Okay.
I want to try. And magnets can retain their force through objects. And the sticks that increases in traction increases. You catch it? Whoa. Magnetic force depends on the magnet's strength. And the magnetized object's composition is stick together.
Drop the ring magnets over the post in the following pattern. Ready?
Yeah.
Facing up, red, red. Red, red. Oh. You know why? Sometimes magnets stick together, sometimes they drift apart, and sometimes they sink or rise along the post. Why do you think that happens? You see that there are two colors?
Opposite poles magnets attract. Same poles repel. That repulsion creates a flowing effect. Opposite.
Right? Poles stick. The same poles repel. They won't stick. So that's why it floats.
Every magnet has two poles. I show you how to play with a north pole and a south pole. Look, it sinks. Look, it sinks.
Because they're opposite poles. Same poles.
Push each other. Opposite poles pull each other. One question for you. Can you feel which side is pushing or pulling?
When the same
Colors or poles meet,
hold one. They push.
they push.
See, they won't stick. No matter how hard I try. Don't try to turn it.
Opposite poles pull together. Look.
Magic.
Not magic. I push. I want to try with you.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, we can spin it. We can spin it without touching it. Wow.
Look. He can spin.
Look. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Magnets can pull objects
Without
touching them because magnetic force travels through air. The force is invisible, but it works even if
something
is a little bit away. I'm going to ask you a question. The magnet taller. Can you make the magnet reach farther? The answer is
yes.
a
Magnet
stronger magnet. Smaller object can be pulled from farther away. Magnets come in many shapes. It can be marbles or even fun shapes like animals. Even his shapes changes. The magnetic force still works. Magnets are in everyday life. Magnets are used indoors, speakers, with refrigerators, toys, and even some phones. Can you find the magnets around your home? Look at the fridge. Toys or door latches. Those are magnets.
Do you know Earth?
Yeah. The Earth itself is a giant magnet.
Did you know that?
I know.
Okay.
That's why compasses always point north. Even the poles of the Earth are magnetic. I have a question for you. Four of the red one is not sticky anymore.
Why is that?
because it's not magnets.
Because they are
They
different
are
poles.
different poles. You have a compass. Do you have a compass? Try to see which way it points. The compass needle will always point toward magnetic North Pole. Magnets last a long time. Magnets can keep magnetic power for many years. They do not run out like batteries. Some magnets made hundreds of years ago still work today. Question for you. How long do you think this magnet can last?
A strong
Magnet can last for decades or even centuries.
So we can use this. This will last at least 10, 20, 30 years. And you can give this to your children.
It's my sister.
Oh, yeah, your sisters definitely can use it.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Okay.
And this is my student.
Okay.
Bye.